There is so much more to forests than what meets the eye. They have an essential role in Earth's carbon cycle and replacing fossil-based raw materials. Forests are the key in creating a more sustainable future. The need for responsible, controlled, and circular use of forest resources is more important now than ever. This presents new challenges for engineers and chemists specializing in wood-based materials, but also offers immense opportunities for innovation and reinventing the industry. ForestBioFacts, the world's largest digital learning environment on its field, provides everything you need to know about forest-based products and technologies. Through its 16 themes, it gives you comprehensive and in-depth information on the whole value chain from forest to end products. ForestBioFacts is suitable for newcomers and experienced R&D professionals alike, as its digital nature and modular structure allows any user to learn at their own pace and based on their own specific interests. Besides its over 1,600 professional articles, you can find your own way of learning also through webinars, podcasts, learning paths, and a 21-volume strong book series. Discover the potential of circular forest-based bioeconomy and explore how forest-based products can contribute to a more sustainable future. Start with the free introduction theme today at ForestBioFacts.com.